Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install or how you can install, not download, but install the YouTube TV app on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Edge. Let's bring up and open the Microsoft Edge browser. The same thing for your Google Chrome. Now type in here tv.youtube.com. Hit enter. And you'll be directed into the YouTube TV. Now click on these three dots at the top right corner on your Edge browser and you'll find the option apps. Install this site as an app. Click on install. You can also pin to taskbar and pin to start. Click on allow. Now if you close the browser and search for YouTube TV, this will now appear as an application on your Windows. Now how we can install this in Google Chrome, let's type Chrome, click on it under the best match. The same thing in the search bar, type tv.youtube.com, hit enter. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, click on more tools, then you have to click on cast, save and share, and here you'll find install page as app. Click on install. And if you close the Chrome browser, this is now a separate application from any of the browser that you have on your Windows. And here you can simply sign in and enjoy watching in YouTube TV. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.